If you told me a couple of years ago that the king of YouTube, PewDiePie, would release a piece of software that destroys $20 a month AI subscriptions and that you could run it completely offline on a budget graphics card using a brand new model from Alibaba, I would have told you to go touch grass. But it's real, it's here, and it is terrifyingly good. What we are looking at right now is the holy grail of local AI. We are combining PewDiePie's new open-source agent workspace, Odysseus, with the newly released Qwen 3.59b model. And when I say this combination changes everything, I mean it literally makes paid AI subscriptions look like a massive scam.
Think about it. Right now, you are probably paying OpenAI or Anthropic $20 a month. In return, they read your data, censor your prompts, and rate limit you the second you start getting productive. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Especially when you can run Qwen 3.59b, a tiny 9 billion parameter beast, directly on your own graphics card.
Don't let the small size fool you. Qwen 3.59b is a statistical miracle. Alibaba built this model specifically for agentic workflows, complex tool calling, and long context reasoning. It runs at 40 tokens per second on a low VRAM consumer GPU, like an RTX 3070, yet it punches with the weight of models 10 times its size. When you pair this raw, uncensored intelligence with Odysseus's beautiful agent dashboard, you don't just have a chatbot. You have an autonomous, private, digital employee sitting on your desk.
Now, I already have this entire setup installed and running on my machine. But let me tell you the absolute truth about the installation process. It is stupidly simple. If you can click a mouse button, you can run this.
You do not need to open a terminal. You do not need to know what a Python virtual environment is. You do not need to clone GitHub repositories. Just download a free app called Pinokio. It is basically the app store for open source AI. You open Pinokio, search for Odysseus, and hit install. The software does literally everything else in the background automatically. It is so intuitive that my grandmother could probably set it up between games of solitaire. When it is done, you click Start, and this ultra-clean, minimalist control center pops up on your screen.
But out of the box, Odysseus is just an empty shell. It has no brain. It needs an engine to think. And to make this setup completely free, offline, and secure, we are going to run our model using LM Studio. If you don't have it, go grab it for free.
Now, this is the only part of the setup where we actually have to do some configuration. So let's get your local server running. First, open LM Studio. Download the model you need, and if you already have it, just load it up. If you want to know which local models fit your hardware the best, I highly recommend watching the AI tier list videos right here on this channel. Once your model is downloaded, click on the developer icon on the left-hand panel. It looks like a double-headed arrow, and you should now see this. At the right top of this screen, click the Load Model button and select the model you just loaded. Now, look over to the left side of the screen. See that status indicator that says Status Stopped? Click it. See that port number 1234? That is the moment your computer officially becomes independent. You are now hosting your own private, local OpenAI-compatible API. No external servers, no network latency, and absolutely zero corporate oversight. Now, go back to Odysseus. Open up the settings, toggle the Local Server option, and point it to localhost 1234/v1. Odysseus will instantly hook into LM Studio, and suddenly, your local model is alive.
This is where the dopamine hits. Let's actually test this thing and show you what makes this combination so jaw-droppingly good. Let's trigger the deep research feature. I'm going to ask it to search the web, compile a report, and summarize a topic. Watch the screen. Qwen 3.59b doesn't just guess or give you some generic, lazy ChatGPT answer. It actually plans.
Because it is optimized for tool calling, it commands Odysseus's built-in private search engine, CRXNG. You can watch the local model write queries, analyze search results, read through multiple web pages in real time, and synthesize all of that raw data into a perfectly structured, fully cited research document. It is fast, it is precise, and it is happening completely on your own machine. You could literally pull your internet cable out of the wall right now, and the core agent workflows would still function. But the real game changer is the file agent. Imagine you have a messy text document, a highly sensitive spreadsheet, or private company files. If you upload those to a public cloud AI, you are basically handing your data over to a tech giant. But with this local setup, you can drop those files right into the Odysseus workspace. The model reads them, analyzes them, writes code to clean up the data, and outputs the result, all inside your GPU's isolated memory. Your data never leaves your room. This is not just a cool tech demo. This is a massive philosophical shift. For years, big tech has convinced us that we need to pay monthly rent to access high-level intelligence. They want us dependent on their servers, their rules, and their subscriptions. But Odysseus and Qwen 3.59b prove them wrong. It proves that open source technology has reached a point where a 9 billion parameter model running on a budget gaming PC can handle complex, multi-step agentic tasks. It is free, it is private, it is incredibly fast, and best of all, you actually own it. I highly recommend downloading Pinokio, setting up your LM Studio server, and letting local AI show you what the future of computing looks like. It is clean, it is incredibly powerful, and it is the most satisfying tech project you will build this year.
What do you think? Are you ready to finally delete your ChatGPT account and go completely local? Or are you still paying the big corporations? Let me know in the comments below. And if this quick guide saved you from a massive terminal-induced headache, do me a huge favor. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this with someone who is still paying for AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.